let's do a tour of Gordon's former Bugeye, now for sale. Does not come with Bodie dog. Hey, buddy. So this car had a ton of work done, as I said in the driving video. We put in a new master, all new hydraulic lines, new wiring harness. It had a new battery. This is all now 2 years ago. New K&N air filters, new carburetor set, aluminum radiator, of course a fuel filter. It even has the washer squirter line. That looks like that was replaced. What else? New heater valve, new spin-on oil filter. This is an A+ engine. New flip forward nose with reinforcing X-bracing. Super nice. An A+ engine that was completely rebuilt. So 20 or 3,200 miles on that engine. A new alternator. These have the spin-on oil filter in the casting this way. And then they have, which is nice, and then electronic ignition, new distributor, new oil pressure gauge line, new starter solenoid, new starter cable. Here are those new brake lines, new coil, new fuse box. We pretty much did everything. New water hoses, of course, new thermostat housing, new premium lever shocks, LED lights, custom bonnet hold downs in red to match the car, new rubber bumpers on the rockers. Old dog, hello old dog. New gauge. It's not a new combo gauge. That is an opportunity. We have those in stock if someone wanted. Those hands are pretty kind of weathered. But new Hardora mat in the trunk. The spare is tied down nicely in the back. There's Hardora mat in the trunk. And the paint is fine, not great. There is one dent here we might be able to fix. It's sort of a ding. There's a little bit of yellowing from fuel overrun, which we may be able to improve upon. There is this twin tip muffler, header, new exhaust system, original steering wheel. The original steering wheel is like sort of, it's fine, it's nice, it's not glossy, it's not freshly restored, but it kind of fits the exterior of the car. New door pockets, new door liners, new windshield glass, new gasketing. I have a train coming, so I'm going to sign off now. This is also new Michelin tires. Thanks for watching from Bugeye Guys.